Hello, traders. Welcome back. Welcome to my new live stream. Today, we're going to trade live Dow Jones or YM or gold futures using price action, support resistance, the EMA 50. So, if you want to see me how I trade, or you want to trade with me and you want to share your uh, thoughts on what you trade, I'm here. So, yeah, let's get into it. My plan today is simple. I'm not chasing the price. I'll just put my major support resistance level and we go from there. Wait for the confirmation always. Clean EMA rejection, break of area and retest. So yeah, let's get into it. I see the Dow is moving without us. Okay, so please like if you see me, please like. Like. Good morning, Jason. How are you? Okay, let's get to the charts. Tutte paparute, tutte paparute. I am good. I'm good. Good. Okay, so let's see what areas we have. Those are the trades from yesterday. Okay, so now I'm watching this area. Did you trade? What you watching to trade? Now I'm watching this area right here and this area right here. So let's see how the price wants to react around here. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, I can see the price wants to break this. I have a beautiful EMA rejection here. I really like this. So if the price is going to break this and give me a retest, I'll probably go on a short. Let's see. Did you guys trade today? Did you trade today, Jerson? Okay, I'm gonna go in a second to see what gold is doing. Not really. Let's see the gold. Okay, gold is on 1 minute is consolidating. So here we go. Let's mark this area right here. You can see the wick. Okay. You can see here a M pattern. So let me just put a line. Here we go. Put it with white. Yes, so the gold is consolidating. The gold is consolidating. This market is volatile. Do we have any news today? Let me see. Thursday. Fed boosting speech at 10:50. So not really. Tomorrow, Michigan consumer. So not. We don't have big news today to affect it like that. So yeah, I don't think I will have something for the gold today. It's just moving sideways. But let's hope for the Dow to give us something. Here we go. It looks like you want to break this area. But you know the deal. We don't just get in once the area is broken. We want a retest of the area. Okay, so I can consider this area broken. I have the full bearish candle that open and close below. Now we just wait for the retest. It either of this area or of the EMA. So how is everybody doing? Say hello in the chat if you watch me. Dar tu nu m-ai iubit de fel, de fel, de fel, de fel, cum te iubeam eu. You guys want me to watch something else? So don't get bored in here. N-am mai iubit pe nimeni. Gold, gold, gold. Let's see on a bigger scale. Yeah, it's on a downtrend. Here it is. Dar tu nu m-ai iubit de fel, de fel, de fel, de fel, cum te iubeam eu. Nu mai iubit pe nimeni. Let's put this different color. Here we go. Let's see. I know you guys like NQ. I don't really trade NQ. To be very honest, wow, it's just going down the NQ here. I never really trade NQ. Never, I mean, not never really. I never trade. I'm starting to not like NQ. Yeah, I never traded. I can look at it and do a analyze, but I never actually took a position in NQ. So, when you get used with one instrument, this is what I usually recommend to everybody. Just focus on one and learn that. At this point, I can see on 5 minutes NQ, it rejects the EMA. So, trying to make a plan for it, but I don't really have a plan. It's just going down. Here is the next area. Let's see, it's a mark here. On 1 hour. Probably NQ is going to touch this. Probably. Let's put it with green, because we're looking for buys there. And let's see. But this is 1 hour, so. Yeah, it's keep dropping. Okay, I see Dow it's also dropping. For those who did not wait for the retest, they have a beautiful entry right here. Once it breaks them. But we always wait for the confirmation. Me. You've been in a bad dream. But there's no you and I. No soul when I cry. Che faccia Adelina? Bene, Algo. How you doing? Hmm? How you doing? What's up? Okay, at this point, I want the price to come and retest this area or the EMA for a short. But also it's gonna get to this area right here. So, hey VG. Hey VG. You knew VG? VG version 2. Where is VG version 1? Oh, you and I. No show when I cry. I love you, wait. I need you to set me free. What you guys trading? Let me know. Maybe I look at your chart. I know what algo wants. Let's go to the algo. I'm waiting for 488 for a buy limit, stop loss position of my 10 points. So let's go to Nifty. Nifty 50. Okay, so this is what I said less time about the Nifty. What minute did I do this? It was on 5 minutes. So yeah, I was saying to look for sales once it breaks this area. So now you can look for sales. But I don't like this week that happened here. You want gold? I thought you would want Nifty. Yeah, so here on 15 minutes. The price is around the EMA, so wait to see this candle here. If it breaks this here, you can go for a short. Okay, you want gold. I think I'm confusing you. You always want Nifty, not you? It's like I don't even know what. I'm confusing you, sorry. I am confused. I thought you the Nifty one. I have a follower that wants Nifty, but I don't remember his name. He always won the Nifty 50. I don't even know what Nifty is. Okay, so this is the gold. Gold is bubbling around right now here, dancing around. Is going to take the EMA 50 as a resistance. I don't know, but for a short, I'll be waiting to break this area, which is also here, kind of the same from here. If you extend it, here we go. For a short, so wait to break this area and retest. For a long, I can see a trend here. Maybe you want to form a triangle. So you can wait to break the trend line. Do you guys use, when you put trend lines, also use area like this? I saw some people that do. Wait a second. I don't remember where that is. Parallel channel, here we go. Like use something like this, an area also for a trend line, not just a line. Salam alaikum. Hello, Kara. Okay, so you're waiting for a buy on a gold. And I'm just waiting to break this. Because clearly it's in a range trade. It's in a range right now. That's clearly a range at the gold. It touched this, yeah. Clearly it's in a range, so wait to break the range and either break the trend area. I put it as an area now. Because it was tested 3 times, the long tail is not strong, so I bought it right on a line you mark. Okay, that's good. Right here. Yeah, that's good. It's just not, I have 4,700 or 4,620. I'll go. Are you looking at the gold futures or all the gold forex? Because I have different numbers. That's why. Because futures and forex, they have different price. So if you're looking at 4700 somewhere here, forex, does it match? If you when you look at the candles, does it match my areas? The same chart but just different different numbers. Yeah, let's see on a let's go on Wanda. For 8. Oh, it's kind of similar, it's not. So you have this area right here marked. Yeah, right now I don't like how it moves. You can see just up and down here. So I will just stay away. What is this blue line here? Oh no. Delete. Look at the US 30, it's falling hard. I'm in a sell position. Okay, now the US 30 touched this area. This area. Let's see, because this area, look, it was a V, so it's a very demand. It's a strong demand. You see? This is a strong demand on 5 minutes too. So let's see how the price is going to react here. But I did want a retest of here, this area, to go for a short. Let's see if I put a Fibonacci. Yeah, you see the Fibonacci is also around this area. If it's gonna give me a retest of this area, it's nice. It's the same thing, demand zone, my friend. Supply and demand, liquidity. It's just different names. It just depends. People call it differently, but it is demand. How do you see when a demand zone? A demand zone is formed when you can see an aggressively sell, and then once an aggressively pull up, the price going aggressively up. That's demand or liquidity, but that's how you recognize it. So this demand is basically a area where the product is in demand, so people will buy it because it's in demand. That's how. Same thing. I always set support resistance on 1 hour time frame to see whether it's a weak or a pure full candle. No, I did not get in algo. Mm-mm. I want to see how the price react. I need the confirmation. Even though I am tempting to get in, but the only reason I will go in is because I saw these big moves, and so that's missing of fear of losing a move. But no, another one will come. Here will be a good entry right here when you see the price broke this level with a full bearish candle. This for some, if I will be a little bit more aggressive, I will go in. My win rate, I would say it's 80%. Now, try narrow it down, ma'am. The support zone is right below the candle. Yes, that's my buy limit entry. Okay, nice. Okay, so when you're narrowing it down, if I was to narrowing it down, where did I mark it here on 5 minutes? I will actually, if this is as narrow as I could, because usually I will include this green candle too, the closing of this green candle. Because my areas, when I mark the areas, those are no trade areas. So if the price is inside here, I don't trade. So I like to be not as big as it want, but I like to be, so the price have a breathing area, right? Because sometimes if you narrow it you narrow it a lot, the price don't actually touch it, so you miss an entry. So when it's a little bigger and you see a rejection, it doesn't matter if the rejection happened here at the bottom or here at the top. If I see it, I'll go in. But you have an area where the price can breathe, and also if the price reject a bigger area, it's a real rejection. I don't know if you understand, but yeah. But again, Parhan, my strategy is different than yours. You are a very aggressive trader. You go for 1 to 10. So your areas need to be as narrow as you can, because your stop loss is a very small stop loss. Me, I have a bigger stop loss. I have a big stop loss. Big 1 to 2. I'm just going for a 1 to 2. So I give my trade space. Okay, so your buy limit was hit, but what made you? Like what? From these candles, even if this was your area, that's still not a rejection yet. It's not formed, the rejection. Maybe it's forming now, this candle, maybe it's gonna form it. Yeah, so that's your yes, ma'am, I'm aggressive, and if the stop loss, if it stop loss 10 times is okay, because it can close in one entry. But that's your strategy, Parhan. But you have to understand that a lot of people cannot handle 10 stop losses in a row. I can't. So my strategy that I make for myself is exactly that, to avoid losses, as many losses as I can, because trading is about that. That's what trading is about, knowing how to lose. And if you lose 10 times in a row, it can mess you up. And if it doesn't mess you up, that's great. That means you are very strong mentally. But for a lot of us out here, sorry, a lot of losses feels different and can fuck up all your trading. Do you guys agree with me in the chat? I don't know. You like to go for big take profits, and even if you lose 10 time, you know you're getting in one, or you prefer less losses. And look, here we go. The prices keep going down. This is a no area of trade. So as long as the price is around here, I'm just personally, I go with what the market gives me. We all go with what the market gives you. But you said you just enter here in a buy, but you don't have a confirmation here. This is not a rejection. Nothing here on those candles don't look as a rejection. You understand? I did get the on question. Mă scuturi de pișe, dar știu că nu-i de ajuns. Tu cauți un răspuns, nu împlini niciun lucru care sunt în plus. Asta nu e normal, suntem diametral opuși, de lacă. Got a damn B. What's B? Let's see what gold is doing. Oh, gold is still trying to reject this break even. So your stop loss was really very, very short. Like from here. Where was your stop loss? So you enter right here. So now you break even. do, 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 do. Zic că o să răspunzi, am atâtea pe răspund, dacă un pic de mult. Let's see this area here next. We're watching this area next. Oh. I hold breath. different. Okay. Who? And did anybody catch this? Short? Hmm? You did not. Impulsive. What are you saying, Farhan? Here we go. This looks like a rejection. Now, this. But if you trade US 30, you know the price before it moves the direction, it consolidates a little. It's either go aggressively up, or it start consolidating. That's how US 30 Dow YM moves. So we want to wait for a little consolidation and price below the above the EMA for the buy, below for the sell. My problem. But if you are aggressive, this does look like a rejection. This Parhan. This definitely did not look. Your entry here did not look like no rejection. This right now, yes. Old friend. Yeah, you see? It's not my strategy to just go on the rejection. My strategy buy um, above EMA, sell below. Da-da-da-da-da. Cuídate, no vives, ponerlo no me play. Ratas en tu ya camins, okay. Hasta el para que los names. Correct me when I say impulsive. I don't understand what you mean. To correct you, Meaning, when you say impulsive, you want to get in, and I should tell you if you should or not, or what do you mean? Hmm. Oh. At this point, here we go. This is the candles. See if it's wanna retest this. But yes, Dow or YM, usually before it moves, it's changed the trend, consolidates a little. I'm gonna sneeze. Still a little flu. Después compré el interior. Și tu vezi totul atât de ușor. Okay, gold. Gold ugly. Ugly gold. Let's see, ES. Also dropped. Break. Dude, ES had a nice entry. I did not see it, but very nice entry on ES. Break of the area, the opening, and then a retest, and also a small retest of the EMA. But yeah, it has a nice entry on ES. I did not see it. So bad. So bad. We're waiting for the price to go above the EMA. I'm waiting for the price to go above the EMA for an entry. Farhan, did you got in for the long? Shit, where's gonna build? Where's gonna build? Yay! We're gonna build. Yay! You know, we never watched the Russell. Do you guys watch the Russell? Mini Russell. Look. Maybe an entry at the Russell. Let me see. Mm-hmm. Think my money tells you, but you told me may choose anything around here. See you dollar bill, yeah. You dollar bill, yeah, dollar bill, yeah. I never really trade Russell, but this is a beautiful EMA rejection. Mm, it's tempting, tempting. I don't know how it moves. Let's see. It's tempting me. It's tempting me. You know what? Let's see. If I put one, how much? $400. No, you know what? Let me go to a micro. Wait a second. They don't have the micro? You guys don't know if the Russell have the micro, just mini? Micro here. Okay, so this will be the entry. 1, 2. And who told me can't use anything around here? See you dollar bill, yeah. See you dollar bill, yeah, dollar bill, yeah. Cash rules anything around here? See you dollar bill, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm so tempted to go into the Russell, but I never got an entry into the Russell. But I'm tempting. Okay, I'll go. See you next time. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching me, though. I really appreciate it, guys. Should I go for a Russell or should I not? I never trade Russell. I need to still learn their moves. Okay, let me go back to Dow because I see something interesting. Russell, I just leave it. I don't go in because I never trade Russell. So here we go. I think the price want to form a W. exactly at this area. So if the price, and also it's gonna cross the EMA, that can be an entry for me. Let's wait to break the EMA. What do you guys think? Mhm. Have any plans for today? Mm, not really plans. I will finish the trading. I usually stay in. Um, I usually take a break from 12 to 2, have lunch, and then I come back on a chart and see if I have any other opportunities. So I stay till 4. Then I am starting preparing dinner. And then I usually go to the gym. I need to lose some weight. And yeah, pretty much that's it. House things, nothing much. Probably thinking on some content to post and edit and yeah, things like that. I like the routine. I mean, let's be honest, we all have the routine. We need routine. Weekends, usually, you go out, you meet some friends. Sometimes during the week, too, I go out for dinner and things like that. And vacations. I try to have as many vacations as I can a year. 3 times stop loss. Well, why you don't just put the stop loss just below here? Just below here. Where do you put your stop loss? Just put it just below. Routine. Currently working third shift, but really trying to become a consistent, profitable trader. You will, but it takes time. It takes time. You will. If you have the mindset and this is what you really want and you're not going to quit no matter what, you will. What are you struggling with, Jason? Losses? I mean, everybody struggle with losses. I don't know how Parhan does it with 10 losses in a row. I don't know how you do it, my friend, really. That means you are mentally very strong. Very strong. How old are you, Parhan? Hello, Kara. I missed today's live stream. I did not took no trades today, so no worries. Gold was, look at the gold, it does not move, it's just bubbling around from 10. So gold, no. And Dow, I missed this trade, this short, I missed it just because I am a very conservative and I wanted a retest, but the price did not give me the retest. I'm waiting for this. You can see the consolidation, what I'm talking about. I'm waiting for the price. Maybe it's a head and shoulder now. The price to go above the EMA for a long. Knowing the position sizing, proper stop losses, and taking profits before it's too late. Okay, let me show you an indicator that can help you with the stop loss that I usually use it. Go to the indicators and put ATR stop loss finder here, but this is a very short stop loss for me. I modify it. Let me remember, because I used it long time. I used it. Oh shit. I hope nothing happened. That's what I used to use to find my stop loss. But now I kind of see it, but this is way easier. Let me see, because I know 20, change this to the EMA and multiplier by 2. Or you can put len 20 out to 21 EMA multiply by 2. Here we go. You can change the settings instead of the lines, circles. It's easier to see. Okay. And for example, let me remove the drawing so you see, hide drawings, right? So for example, if you enter along right here, you see this is the candle. You put your stop loss just where the ATR shows you, and then you go for the 2. How do I get into the settings for the ATR? Okay, go to ATR, look, follow me, and this, settings. Kara, you use ATR, you use 10 instead of 20, 21. Yeah, whatever it works for you. Let me see how much is changed. And inputs. The length, I just like 21 because 21, it's a strong EMA too. Multiply by 2. So that's with the stop loss. Just set it like that. Because what it does, this multiplier, it gives you a little space for the trade to breathe, you know, in case you have a week or something like that. And go for profit too. What was you saying? Knowing proper stop losses and taking profit before it's too late. Okay, master. Master, you set the take profit on a 2 with this ATR and just leave it like that. Master that. Just let the trade do either stop loss or take profit. Just let the trade work, and with time you can go and, you know, once you master this, you can practice the trailing take profit, stop loss, sorry. I'm still not there either. I don't trail too much. I do trail sometimes when I see like it's a beautiful trend, and I trail, I move my stop loss to break even and things like that. But for now, master to just let the trade do his own thing. setting the take profit and stop loss, and that's it. Don't do nothing else. But yeah, for the stop loss, this is a definitely good. HCR is really good. I use it as a trailing stop. Okay, so look, his Kara is using HCR as a trailing stop. You can master that with time. Ma'am, try using the support resistance channel indicator. Support resistance channel by Yonsam. And we can combine with zigzag plus. Yes, Barham, I understand what you're saying, but it's too many indicators for me. And it's good to practice your own skill to draw. Because if you use the indicators all the time, um, and then this indicator disappears. One day the Yone Sam is going to remove his indicators. It's better to have your own skill, you to be able to do it. Because it's not so hard to draw support and resistance. 100%. Okay, cosmics. So how I set my orders? Do you do the bracket orders? Yeah, this on trading view. You always go for a 2 stop loss, yes, and just let it run. You create your order, and yeah, just go with um I trade on 4 hour and 30 minutes time frame, but on lower time frame it turns into completely check chaos for me. I understand that too. You have to trade what works for you. The only reason I know that higher time frames are way stronger. They are way stronger, and it's better to trade on a higher time frame. But the only reason I don't trade on a lower time frame is because I like to watch my trade. Like if I will be trading on a 4 hour time frame, I will be with my phone all the time. Oh, let me see, let me see, let me see. I can't disconnect from it. Like unreachable goal to me. You shouldn't have that goal though. That should not be a goal for you to trade on 1 minute like me, or like your own journey. You trade your own time frame. And yes, bigger time frames are more safe, more powerful. The direction, you don't have as many fake breakouts or fake entries. So if you can handle it and you can detach from the trade, do your own thing. The technical, it's the same. It doesn't matter if I was to trade on 1 hour, it's the same technicals, right? You see here the rejection, you go in. You have the resistance, you see the rejection, you go in. It's just it takes longer for the trade to, that's all. This is what I'm waiting for. Probably something like this. We'll see. That's what I'm waiting for. Break of the consolidation, break of the EMA. That would be a beautiful entry if the market wants to give it to me. Okay, guys, I that's it for today. It's been an hour, nothing, no trades. But yes, this is what I'm watching. I'm watching for long. I also have this area right here. Let me show you here, this week here that I marked. In case the price breaks here, you might react here. But yeah, I'm waiting for the price to go above the EMA so I can go on a long, on a short right now. Break this consolidation too and give me a retest, but I have this on my way. If the can closes it, it will fall badly. That's why I'm always waiting for the confirmation. I don't just get in on rejection of the areas or breaking. I'm waiting for the confirmation. It's either retest or just for a rejection of the area, the price to go below or above the EMA. So the rules, if the price breaks an area, the confirmation is the retest and also the price to be below or above the EMA. If it's a demand or supply area and the price rejects that area, I don't just go in when I see a rejection because many times it's a fake rejection. I need the confirmation, the price to be above or below the EMA. This is a strong area, but you see the price, this is a rejection. But you see, it didn't have so much power to go up. So that's why I wanted the price to be above the EMA. Retest, retest, retest. Yeah, a retest. That's acceptance, you know. That's when you know the people accept the new price. When they retested it and it doesn't. So down. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, same hours. If I'll take a trade, I'll be here in front of my computer till 12. If I take a trade, I'll let you know on Instagram. If not, I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully with a great trade. Have a great day. Thank you for watching me. Bye, 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 bye. Nice seeing you hanging out. You too, you too. See you tomorrow. I think I struggle with the most in this. I get caught by FOMO. Everybody does that. Everybody does that. But you need to practice. You know, practice patience. I did that. I'm getting to start. Yeah. How you passed the FOMO, uh, you have to understand the market. It's every day. It's open every day. So why should you be fearful of missing something when you know there's gonna be another opportunity there? That's not the only opportunity. Tomorrow is gonna be another opportunity. Opportunity are always gonna come back, but money, once you lose it, they're not coming back. You have to work for it. So yeah, confirmation. You always wait for confirmation. It doesn't matter. You think I didn't feel now that I miss out this move? I felt it a little bit inside that I miss it because I something told me to get in. And I'm like, oh, you were right. But I know that market is gonna give me another opportunity that checks exactly all my checklists. So that's it. Hopefully it was helpful and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.